this tree diagram, we have to how we implement this tree diagram into the mux. How we define this tree diagram into the mux. Now we take one example. Okay, take the one example. We are implement 4 as to 1 mux. Okay, here 4 as to 1 mux, 4 as to 1 mux we have to implement, but we have to use only 2 as to 1 mux, 2 as to 1 mux. What we have to implement? What we have to implement? 4 as to 1. What we have to implement? 4 as to 1. And what we have to use? We have to use 2 as to 1. So using 2 as to 1, we define the 4 as to 1. Okay. So first of all, we have to draw the block diagram of 2 as to 1. How we define the block diagram of 2 as to 1? This is my block diagram. I am going to define this is a 2 as to 1 mux. Okay. This is my 2 as to 1 mux. How many inputs are there? 2 as to 1?
Two
How many
inputs.
inputs? Yes, it is a 2 inputs are there. If I am going to define the 2 inputs are there, here is 1 input, here is a 1 input. Okay, D0 and D1. And how many select lines are required?
One select line.
Yes, it is a 1 select lines are required. So I am going to define here L0. Okay, this is my L0. And how many outputs are there? There is
One.
only 1 output is there. So what is my task? What is my task? Task is nothing but I am going to design the 4 as to 1 mux. But in my hand, what I have 2 as to 1. So I have a 2 as to 1, but I wanted to implement 4 as to 1. But what is the requirement of 4 as to 1? What is the requirement of 4 as to 1? The input, the the number of input. How many number of input in 4 as to 1?
Four input.
Yes, the number of inputs are 4. Okay, number of inputs are 4. Okay, then number of output.
One output.
Yes, it is a 1 output. Number of output is 1. And how many select lines?
Two select line.
Yes, it is a how many select lines required? It is a 2 select lines. So this is a requirement of 4 as to 1 mux. But this is a requirement of 4 as to 1 mux. Okay, this is a requirement of 4 as to 1 mux. But in my hand, what I have 2 as to 1. So how we define this 2 as to 1 into the 4 as to 1 mux? So I am going to define one another attachment to here. I am going to define one another 2 as to 1 mux. I am going to define one another 2 as to 1 mux. Okay, this is my 2 as to 1 mux. Okay, and this mux having a how much input? This mux having a 2 inputs. है ना? This mux having a 2 input, one output, sorry, one output, and the select line is 1. Select line is 1. Okay, this is also my Y. This is my, suppose input is D2 and the input is D3. And this is my select lines. This is my select line L0. And this is my select line. Suppose S1 is there. So what I have a task, I wanted to 4 as to 1. But here my two inputs are there, here is two inputs are there. So total how many? Four inputs are there. But what I condition, the output is also 1. Na? Here I get the output is 2. So I am going to define the cascade of these two select lines. I am going to define this cascade of 1, 2 select lines. How we cascade of these select lines? Here. I am going to attach this select line here. Okay. I am going to attach the select lines here. Okay. So this is my first select line. So this is my first select line. Okay. I am going to here write down this is your S1. Okay. This is my S1. Now my first requirement is completed. My first requirement. What is my first requirement? Number of input 4. I have 4 input D1, D1, D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay. Now my second requirement is number of output is 1 and select lines are 2. Here I am going to cascade of select lines, so it is the 1 select lines I have. Now another requirement, 1 output I require. So I take one another 2 as to 1 marks here. So I take one another 2 as to 8 sorry 2 as to 1 marks here. So this marks having a separate input, this marks having a separate input, this marks having a separate select lines also. Okay. This marks having a separate select lines and this marks having a separate y output is also. This marks having a y output is also y output. Now what happened? So I am going to make the connection this y to this mux input. Okay, and next y output, this y output is going to connect here. Okay, so whatever the inputs is here, that input comes to this part and this y is connected to input of this mux and this y output is connected to the input of this mux. So for this 2 as to 1 mux, I get only one output. So my second requirement is also fulfilled. Now, what is my last requirement? Last requirement is nothing but the select lines. Here already I get one select lines. So I am going to define here also the S0. So this is my define the second requirement, last requirement. So now I can define this diagram. This diagram is nothing but what? This diagram is nothing but what? This diagram is nothing but 4 as to 1 mux using 2 as to 1 mux. Are you able to understand this? कळतंय का?
Yes, sir.
समजलं? समजतंय का? आता बघा आपण काय करू, हे 4 as to 1 चं ट्रूथ टेबल आहे ना, मी हे कॉपी करतो आता. हा आणि मी इथं पेस्ट करतो. बघा आता 4 as to 1 चं हे ट्रूथ टेबल याला सॅटिस्फाय होत आहे का बघू आपण. ओके, करायचं. H0 काय आहे? 0 म्हणजे H0 0. H0 equal to 0. So I am going to connect the first input to the y. Okay, first input to the y. And S1 is also connected to the 0. So I'm going to define here S1 and here define the S0. Here I'm going to define the S0. S1 is connected to the 0. So first input is connected to the Y. Okay. Now S0 is also 0. So S0 is also equal to 0. Then this first line, this first input is connected to the Y. So what I required as output is D0. So here the first line input is connected to Y. So this D0 is comes to here. This D0 is comes to here. Why? Because this select line's output is input is 0. So D0 is connected to here. And because of this S1 is also 0, so this output is D0 is here. This output D0 is here. And this D0 comes to the Y. So Y equal to what? Y equal to D0. Y equal to D0. So my first, what is my first table is first table satisfied. Now we define the second port. We have to define the second. Here the S1 equal to 0. So S1 equal to 0. So this first line, first input is connected to Y. First input is connected to Y. Then S1 equal to S0 equal to what? S0 equal to 1. So here S0 equal to 1. I am going to define S0 equal to 1. So this one comes to here. So here the 1, because of 1, the second line is connected to the Y. Okay. The second line is connected to the Y. So here I am going to define this Y here to here. Okay. So D1 is comes to here. D1 is comes to here. D1 is come to here. This D1 come here. And because of this S1 equal to 0, so this D1 is goes to here. So my second truth table is also satisfied. Okay. Now we move forward to the next part. What is my next part? My next part is being blue. If S1 equal to 1, S1 equal to 1. So S1 equal to 1, what happened? S1 equal to 1, then this comes to the, here, the second part. Okay. This comes to here. Okay. I'm going to connect once again. S1 equal to 1, so second input is connected to the Y. Second input is connected to the Y. So the first input is released to the Y because here S1 equal to 1. So S1 equal to 1, so second input is connected to Y. And here the S0 equal to what? S0 equal to 0. So this 0 it goes to here also and here also. This 0 goes to here also and here also. So 0 is connected to here. Similarly, here the first input is also connected to the Y. First output is also connected to the Y. So D1 is comes to here, D0 is comes to here, and here D2 is come here. This D0 is here, and this D2 come here. But because of this S1, it is S1, the S1 equal to 1, so second input is connected to Y. So what we get the output is D2. Here is no any connection, so D0 is not comes to the Y. Understood this? Understand this part?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes. Now the both are 1 1. The both are 1 1. If both are 1 1, the S1 equal to 1, then it is select the second input. S1 equal to 1, then it select the second input. So here the second input is connected to the Y. Okay. Now S0 is also 1. S0 is also 1. So this one comes to here and here also. So that the connection of S0 equal to 1, so it select the second line. Similarly, here is also it select the second line. Okay. The first line is removed. Why? Because S1, S0 equal to 1. So this D1 comes here. This D1 is comes here and this D3 is comes to here. Okay, this is connected to here, so D1 is come here and this connected to here. This D3 is comes here. Because of S1, the second line is connected to the Y. So D1 is not connected to Y, so D1 is not present. And D3 is connected to Y, so output we get a D3. So output we get a D3. So my last equation or my last truth table condition is also satisfied. So that I am conclude that this tree diagram, this tree diagram is nothing but 4 as to 1, 4 as to 1 using 2 as to 1 mux. Understood? Are you able to understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The homework is nothing but, your homework is nothing but, you have to implement 8 as to 1 marks using 4 as to 1 marks.